Today, I'm going to show you how to style messages and embeds in Discord, and I'll also show you the exact commands and formatting you can use to make your chats look cleaner, more professional, and way easier to read. This is super useful if you run a server, share announcements, post rules, or just want your messages to stand out. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about styling regular Discord messages. Discord uses a simple formatting system called Markdown, and the good news is you can use it directly in any chat box without installing anything. If you want your text to look bold, just type 2 asterisks before and after the word or phrase. For example, if you type *text, Discord will display it in bold. If you want italics, use a single asterisk on both sides of the text. That is perfect when you want to add emphasis without making the message too heavy. If you want to strike through text, use 2 tildes before and after the word. This is great for jokes, corrections, or showing that something is no longer relevant. And if you want your text to appear in code style, just wrap it in backticks. That creates a monospace look, which is really helpful for short commands, usernames, or small technical notes. Now, if you want to make text even more readable, especially for longer messages, remember that Discord also supports line breaks and spacing. A clean message is much easier to understand than a wall of text. So when you are writing announcements, rules, or instructions, keep your formatting simple and organized. Use bold for important words, italics for light emphasis, and code formatting for anything that looks like a command or a special value. Now let's move on to embeds, because this is where Discord messaging really starts to look polished. Embeds are those clean, colorful message cards you see in many servers. They're perfect for announcements, automated messages, welcome posts, rules, event details, and social media style updates. To style embeds, you usually use an embed generator tool, such as Message.style or DiscoHook. These tools make it much easier to design the layout without manually writing the full payload yourself. To begin, open your Discord server and go to Server Settings, then Integrations, and then Webhooks. If you do not already have a webhook, create one for the channel where you want the embed to appear. Copy the webhook URL carefully. This URL is what connects the embed generator to your Discord channel, so keep it private and only use it in trusted tools. Next, paste that webhook URL into the embed generator tool. Once it is connected, you can start customizing the message. The first part is usually the author and title section. Here, you can add a bold heading, a display name, or even a profile picture or icon. This is useful when you want the embed to look official or branded. Right below that, you can write the main description text. This is where the core message goes. And depending on the tool, you may be able to use Markdown here too. That means you can bold certain words, add italics, or highlight key details inside the embed. One of the best parts of embeds is the color strip on the left side. You can choose a hex color to match your server theme, your brand, or the mood of the message. A bright color can make an announcement feel urgent or exciting, while a darker or neutral color can make it look more formal. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference visually. Then you have fields. Fields are perfect when you want to organize information into sections. Some fields appear side by side, while others stack depending on how many you add. This is ideal for rules, stats, schedules, prices, server info, or any message where you want to keep things structured. Instead of dumping everything into one paragraph, fields let you present the information in a much cleaner way. After that, you can add a footer and timestamp. The footer is usually small text at the bottom of the embed, and you can sometimes include an icon as well. A timestamp is especially useful if you want the message to show when it was created or scheduled. That helps make your posts look more complete and professional. Once everything looks right, click Send in the embed generator. That will push the styled embed directly into your Discord server through the webhook. If you want to test the appearance first, it's always a good idea to send a sample message before using it for an important announcement. That way you can make sure the spacing, color, fields, and text all look exactly how you want. And that's how you style both regular Discord messages and custom embeds. Use Markdown for quick message formatting, and use a webhook embed generator when you want a more advanced and polished design. Once you get comfortable with it, you can make your Discord messages look much more organized, attractive, and professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And if you have any questions or want more Discord tips, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.